Hello everyone, so here comes our today's question. So there is a regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides, and octagon means 8 sides. Then it talks about the parameters. So parameter is equal to number of sides into length of one side. So based on that, parameter of a hexagon will be 6 into h and parameter of octagon will be equal to 8 into k. As it says that parameters are equal, so our equation will be 6h is equal to 8k. In the second condition, it says that one side of h is greater than one side of k by 24. So equation will be 1h is equal to 1k plus 24. Now we have two algebraic equations, and by solving these two algebraic equations simultaneously, we can calculate the value of k, which comes out to be 72.